Happy Monday, everybody. I'm your student meteorologist, Jillian Bohenek, here with your CNET forecast for July 21st. Well, we are currently transitioning out of a pretty decent weekend. Temperatures were a little bit cooler, but by means of rain and dryness, it was pretty decent as we did have pretty dry conditions throughout the weekend. We did have a few pop-up showers on Saturday, but it wasn't too bad overall. Currently on the radar, though, we do have a few blips here. As you can see, a few pieces of green are popping up around State College, Center County area. We still have those clouds lingering in the area right now, so it doesn't look very pleasant outside, but it isn't too bad. We could see a few bouts of sprinkles later on, but we did have a few that popped up around the county earlier this afternoon. But currently, again, those clouds are lingering, so it is pretty overcast. Doesn't look too pleasant, but 75 degrees, not too bad. A little bit cooler than what we had been seeing earlier last week. And we do have a dew point at 66, so it is going to remain a little bit muggy. Now, temperatures across the state, not too variable actually, so we are looking across the state at temperatures about the mid-70s into the lower 80s, so there isn't too much of a variety across the state. Central Pennsylvania is about the coolest, but then we do have a warm spot with Philadelphia at 84, so they are still pretty warm. Now, taking a look at the eye on the future, as you can see, a big swath of precip just passed through. For today, those are those little blips that you saw on the radar before, so we could see a few bouts of showers later on today, but it is going to clear out later on tonight into tomorrow morning. But starting later on tomorrow morning, those clouds are going to start building in, and we could see some showers later on tomorrow afternoon. So here we are at 4:30 on Tuesday. We do see some rain popping up on the radar here, so we could see nothing too significant, but we could see a few showers and potentially a few showers or thunderstorms later on tomorrow afternoon into the evening. But then that'll quit for a while, and then starting back on Wednesday morning, we could see just a few pieces here, a few blips of rain that might pop up early Wednesday morning, but nothing too significant. And then that'll quit for a little while, so we'll have a bit of a break later on Wednesday morning. But then when we head into late Wednesday afternoon, so we're looking around 4 p.m. here, starting off a little bit before that, but we do have a big significant rain band here that is going to pass through. So this is a cold front that's going to be passing through on Wednesday, which is going to start dropping temperatures, and that is going to bring, it looks to be, some pretty moderate rainfall. So we could see some light to moderate rainfall for Wednesday into Wednesday evening hours. But then later on Wednesday night, that'll start to clear, so we'll see those clouds with that cold front, but behind the front, again, it'll start to clear, so not too bad looking for Wednesday night into Thursday. But then we'll see what happens on Thursday, as we could see the potential for some more showers and thunderstorms popping up on Thursday. But for tonight, we'll see partly cloudy, so those clouds will still linger into tonight, start to clear just a bit, but they'll still be lingering around. We will see 64 as a low tonight, so it will remain muggy as it has been for the most part today. And then for tomorrow, shaping up to be pretty nice. More sun than clouds for tomorrow. High of 86, so it is going to be quite warm and a bit muggy, as we could see a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, but not too significant, just something to keep a note for tomorrow. Again, tomorrow those sun and clouds, but we will have the potential for a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Can never rule that out for tomorrow. But then Wednesday, we will start off with a mix of sun and clouds with maybe a slight shower or two in the morning Wednesday, very, very early rather. But later on the morning it will clear up. But then the afternoon hours when that front starts to pass through on Wednesday, we will see some showers and thunderstorms start to pick up for Wednesday. But then Thursday, we start to cool off a bit after that cold front is passed, so we'll be back down into the lower 80s starting Thursday into later next week, later this week rather, into early next week. So temperatures will moderate just a bit, and then conditions will become a little bit more pleasant as we'll have high pressure start to move in behind that front. So later on this week, things will start to dry out just a bit, but then we may see a little bit more rain come Sunday. So the beginning of next week, we might see a little bit more rain, but things are looking up for the rest of this week. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, I'm your student meteorologist, Jillian Bohenek, here with Penn State's Campus Weather Service. As always, have a great Monday.